in the following graph is y a function of x. So in order for y to be a function of x, for any x that you input into the function, any x for which the function is defined, so let's say we have y is equal to f of x, so we have our little function machine, it should spit out exactly one value of y. If it splits out multiple values of y, we don't know what f of x is going to be equal to. It could be equal to any of those possible values for y. So let's see if for this graph, whether for a given x, it spits out exactly one y. Well, the function seems to be only defined, so the domain of this function is x is equal to -2. That's the only place where we have a definition for it. And if we try to input -2 into this little black box, what do we get? Do we get exactly one thing? No, we put in -2 here, we could get anything. -2, the point -29 is on this relation. -2,8 is on this relation. -2,7, -2,7.5, -2, 3.14159. They're all on these. So if you put in -2 into this relation, you actually get an infinite set of values. It could be 9, it could be 3.14, it could be 8, it could be -8. You get an infinite number of results. So since it does not map to exactly one output of this function, in the following graph, y is not a function of x.